Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a speed flight with the protocol Kaptur GPS-2. Matter of fact, today we will just fly around, play with it a little bit, see how far it can go. It's gonna be an interesting one, guys, so sit back, fasten your seatbelt, have fun, let's go. Woo! Oh no! Oh my goodness. The wind picked up and lost control out there and got stuck right here. Oh Lord. Anyway, let's bring it down and hopefully nothing is broken, and then we can get straight back to it. Oh yeah, it's on the ground now, so let's get back to the flight. Hopefully we don't have a crash no more. Ooh-wee! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, right. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! That was a perfect stop right there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah. Nice. That's great. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Woo! Alright guys, hope you did enjoy the flight. It was an interesting one today, despite the fact that we had a minor setback, being captured by the tree. Okay, leave your comments below. Subscribe please if you've not yet subscribed. See you guys on my next video. Give a thumbs up. Thank you. Have a great day.